lovely. Okay guys, good morning, welcome back to the channel, and this morning I'm going to test the Yoo-Hoo with the little motor, which you may have seen me fit in the last Yoo-Hoo video. I'll link to it, or I'll link to the playlist at the end of this video. You can check that out if you want, and the build videos. But let's have a closer look. So just a quick recap, the motor is an optional extra. The kit comes with the little power pod. The motor you have to source yourself. It's a 4000 kV motor with a pusher prop on, and this is the first time I've flown it with the power pod. I've flown it off the bungee and on the slope, and it flies very nicely, but it'll be interesting to see. I've got about 2 degrees of up thrust pointing that way. I think that's the way it has to be, so let's give it a go. Unfortunately, this morning the wind is coming directly out of the sun, so launches are going to be fun. So I'm running on a 2S 600 mAh battery, and that goes in. I'll keep the battery forward by way of all the wires. Right, left, up, down. Okay, so as I say, this is the first flight with the power pod, so I'm expecting great things. It's got quite a lot of thrust actually. It feels like it will almost hold its weight pointing straight up, so that to me indicates that it's going to have plenty of oomph. I've got my lucky Dad's RC hanger neck strap on. I call it my lucky one for a little bit of confidence actually. Okay, I've got the timer set for 10 minutes, but I'm not sure how accurate that's going to be on the first flight because I haven't flown it before, and it depends how much throttle I use during the flight, because it is a nice little glider as well. Let's do it. How exciting. So the wind's coming straight down from the top there, it's almost coming straight from the sun, so as soon as I'm up I shall be turning to the left, I suspect. Yep, I'll go on about 2/3 throttle to start. Right, I've opened her up a little bit more. Oh, by the way, I'll link to this model below. I bought it from Model Shop Leeds in the UK, but it's no longer called the Yoo-Hoo, it's called the Falke. So don't search for Yoo-Hoo because you won't find it. I think Kavan just renamed it. Yeah, I've had this one on the bungee. It goes up like a rocket, and I've flown it on the slope. It's a very adaptable little aeroplane actually. So I've got no gyros or anything in this, it's just a standard 3-channel setup. I think the first time I flew it I broke the wingtip off. I might have broken both off in flying it about, because it's only 1/8 I think balsa, the wingtips, and therefore quite vulnerable. As with all V-tail models, they don't quite, you can't use rudder, you can't get a nice flat turn. And now the wind's coming up, it's coming straight from my back. It's probably, the forecast was 4 miles an hour. It's probably flying at somewhere around a nice constant 4 miles an hour with gusts slightly higher. I've come up early, it's not 9 AM yet, because it's going to be 24 degrees today. It sounds very sweet, that little motor. Well, the timer's saying 3 minutes, so I'll tell you what, let's bring her in and actually put her on the meter and see what we've got. Well, that was fun. You can catch this aeroplane quite safely as well, of course, because the motor's at the back. You enjoying this, guys? I'm enjoying it. I know a couple of the lads are coming up this morning for definite. Oop, 14%. Okay, so we pushed our luck there. So that was actually coming up to 8 minutes. As a pure glider, it would fly for a long time on that, probably an hour or two. Okay, I'll have to adjust the timer. We'll stick to 6 minutes. I've put in a little Radio Master receiver there on the side. I think it's weight-wise, it's over 250 grams now with the motor. Can't remember what it was. You'd have to look in a previous video. Tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to put that under that rubber band because it looks like it's close to the edge. This is a hairband, this one. Mainly because it's black and it looks good. Not my hairband, of course. Right, what I need to do is to reset the timer. So I'm going to have another play. Got 3 more batteries. I think that's successful. Shows the Falke Yoo-hoo off to a very good light. I'll link below to the Leeds Model Shop link to the model if you want to build one. I think the kit's around about £60, which is pretty good for what's in the kit. And a nice little aeroplane. Right, the wind is coming from the sun. Good start. And away she goes. And downwind pass, motor off. Motor on. Well, the power pod conversion I absolutely recommend. It turns a nice little glider, gives you that extra ability to fly when the wind isn't behaving. Does loop awfully well. I don't think it rolls, this one. Oh, it will roll. A great big lazy roll. Very barrely. Very pleasing design to look at, isn't it? Mine, Kavan, have got some very nice gliders in their range, actually. You can see the family resemblance between all of them. I am loving this though, I must say. One minute of heaven left. I've got 4 batteries with me today. This is so nice. Oh. Well, incredibly enjoyable flying, I've got to say. It's just so relaxing. Last flight then, here we go. There we go guys, a little bit of bonus flight for the aerial shot at the end, so we'll see how that comes out. Should be fun, and gives you an idea of the area we're flying in. We've got Dartmoor over there, we've got the River Tean and Teignmouth and Charlton over this side, and I don't know if we'll see it, and nice bit of countryside over this side. So there we go, thanks for watching, give the video a thumbs up, and I'll link to the build video and the latest edition, the motor on the back video. Well, it's all in the playlist at the end, you'll find it. Thanks guys, see you in the next one, cheers.